Welcome to myprojectwizard.com. This is our project title Temporal Causality Analysis of Sentiment Change in a Cancer Surveyor Network. And this is our project abstract. We introduce a novel framework to examine the temporal causality of sentiment dynamics in the CSN. We use a sentiment classifier trained using machine learning on a set of posts. Manually tags with sentiment label to classify posts as expressing either positive or negative sentiments. We analyze the probabilistic cryptic structure to identify the prima facie case of sentiment change on the part of the threat originators in the CSN forum and their significance. We find that the sentiment of replies appears to casually influence the sentiment of the threat originator. Classification threshold of the sentiment classifiers and choice of the specific sentiment classifiers used. And this is our project data flow diagram. First, we have to load the messages, which is message posts in the social network, in the cancer social networks. After that, we have to pre-process the social network reviews or post or messages which is posted by the users, cancer patients. We have to pre-process the stop words. If it is like you see most that like the words or the stop words, we have to remove the stop words from the messages for future classification, future sentimental extraction. After that, we have to remove the hashtags from the words in the messages. After that, we have to emodiction conversion. Emodiction conversion is nothing but we have to convert the symbols like similes or anything else. We have to convert into the every symbol is having separate sentimental words. We have to convert it to the sentimental words. Then we have to load the dictionary. After loading the dictionary, we have to find the sentimental words from the all the posts. Then we have to find out the sentimental words. We have to classify the positive words and the negative words using the sentimental words. What are all the whichever the words belongs to the positive words, it will send to the positive thoughts, and we have if this belongs to the negative words, it's negative thoughts based on the posts. After that, we have to view the threshold reports. We have some threshold things like threshold number. We have to process the negative and on positive values or sentimental scores. Based on the sentimental score, we have to set the threshold values and produce the graph based on that sentimental threshold values. After that, we have to find out the report measures. Report measures is nothing but we have to find out the precision recall values and the analysis results and the accuracy of the sentimental analysis. Let's see the demo of our project. First, click home.java and right click on it and choose run file option. After clicking the run file option, the home page window will display in the screen. Then please go button to go into the system. After that, we have to collect the post set of post. Then here is the cancer review post, set of post. Then collect it and view the post. Here's the number of posts which is held in the database. Then click next button. After that, load the stop words. Stopwords.txt. Then stop words. Okay, the stop words is successfully. Then these are all the stop words which is removed from the posts, message posts. Then after that, we have to pre-process successfully. Then after pre-processing, the stop words will be removed from the database. Click next button. This is the emodiction conversion and hashtag removal window. We have to click the emodiction. Here it is the emodiction symbols and its value. Then we have to convert into the symbols convert into the sentimental words. Emodiction converted to the message successfully. Then we have to with the messages. Then remove the hashtags remove successfully from the messages. Then click next button. Now here we load the dictionary. The dictionary having the lot of words and full lot of words from the English language. We have to load all the dictionary words from A to Z. Here it is. We have to A to Z words. We have to added into loaded the dictionary. Then process the messages. Process on the messages. We have to process on the messages to find out the sentimental words which is available in the dictionary. We have to remove the we have to get the concurrent sentimental words from the messages. After clicking that, we have to get the sentimental words. Because it's a sentimental dictionary, we have to only get the adjective words from the messages. After it takes some time to execute that. It will take some time because of it's having the lots of messages and lots of words. So we have to wait for still processing the messages on the dictionary messages on the dictionary. Let's find out the sentimental words from the messages. After if it is completed, then the message will be displayed in our screen. What all are the things which will be taken from the messages. If it is completed, it will be shown. Yes, it will be completed. The sentimental words are displayed on the screen. Then click next button. Click SVM classification. Classify the post tags. Post classified successfully. On the view the posts. Here is the post and its ID. First ID is to positive and positive to negative, then etc. This will be classified successfully to the messages. Then click next button. Now we have to get the report for the threshold values. Threshold values like 0, 1.0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 0.7 and 0.9. First find for 0.1. Here is the result, and 0.2, and here is the result, and 0.5, and here is the result, and 0.7 and 0.9. We have get the results from that. Then click next button. We have to find out the result measurements, find out the precision value. Here is the precision value of the sentimental analysis, and recall values and F1 measures. Both precision and recall values are processed in the F1 measures. Then finally we have to find out the accuracy. The accuracy is 14 points something. You have to find out the measurements of the results. Then close the program. Thanks to listen this video.